Good evening. I hope everyone's having a fantastic evening. Today is February 6th. Sorry, a month behind. Hey, I just got home from work. I'm a little tired. How are you doing? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Welcome to Guru's Crypto Garage. You got me and my boy, Mr. Christian. How you doing, sir?
Amazing. I am also tired. Long day. I was like, January again. All right, let's
All right, we're
go.
going back in time.
Yeah,
I think
we're
we're more
back in
bullish in
time.
January than we are now.
I know the DeLorean's coming back, but that's great.
All right, let's talk. Let's talk Bitcoin. So, what are we sitting at right now? Bitcoin, as we speak, is trading at 97,000, 97,647. So, it's actually been kind of in this channel most of the day. Actually, it's up a little bit from where it was this afternoon. I want to say this afternoon we were sitting in the 96,000 range. Hold on one second. BTC dominance is sitting at what, 61.5% right now. And
Yep.
it looks like the traders are moving to BTC versus the altcoins, right? Just it's a little safer at this second. So hold on one second. What else is going on, Christian? MicroStrategies. You know what? We didn't talk yesterday, and I kind of did a quick Ondo. I was, again, doing two jobs. I feel like I did a quick Ondo review and did a little bit on demo, but we didn't really get a chance to talk about MicroStrategies. You want to talk about that a little bit and what Michael Saylor's doing? And I'll
Yeah,
bring up the charts.
Saylor. MicroStrategy just rebranded themselves to Strategy with a big old B on it. It looks like Bitcoin. They got merch. You can buy a water bottle, a T-shirt. T-shirt sold out actually, and then
Strategy
they
B.
are trying to basically their new goal is to raise 10 billion with another B Bitcoin in 2025.
Wow, that's
Uh,
huge.
yeah, they are. He doesn't stop. He actually started a new uh, stock. I don't think it came
I
out
know.
today or just came out today. It's called Strike to raise
Well,
more
then
capital.
he has to change anyway, right? He has to change the stock from MicroStrategy to Strategy B. So there's going to be a stock change. So you're saying he changed it again to Strike?
He's making a new one, from my understanding. He's making like a sub new company. I didn't look into it as much. I just heard that he's making a new one to raise more capital.
Wow.
But the actual MicroStrategy is still going to have the same stock, but he's going to make a second one. It's like
Wow.
two heads. It's like a two-headed monster buying Bitcoin nonstop.
Yeah, it is kind of crazy. So, I'll go ahead and pull the Bitcoin chart up. Actually, I got it here. Yeah. Yeah. We're talking about that at the stage. Boom. Uh, yeah, Bitcoin's actually doing nicely. It looks like it's back in an upward trend right now. So it looks like we could break that $98,000 mark again. So that's always positive news. So MicroStrategy, but I think he's at a net loss right now for the year, right?
Yeah,
We're only
he's
1 month in, so it's
yeah. So far,
yeah. I
yeah,
mean, we were at 100,000 to begin when we started the year. So I think he's at a $670 million net loss this second, but it looks like I guess he's doubling down. He's going big, right? Especially
he's
if
trying to go big. He's trying to raise more.
yeah, I love it.
I don't know who he seems like he's talking to different people. I saw him at the Trump's crypto party, so I'm pretty sure he's making the right moves and gonna keep
I would
on
almost
going.
call Michael Saylor like the messiah of crypto right now. Right? I mean, I don't want to call him the crypto Jesus, but the guy's out there. He's making moves. But you're all right.
No, they
Uh,
do call him that. I forgot about that. They do call him that on X or Twitter.
really,
They used to call him that. Crypto Jesus. I forgot about that. They used to call him that.
well, that's
Bitcoin G. Yeah. If I
that. Sorry,
remember.
my stupid indicators are going off again. I apologize, guys. Let me turn that down. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear that ringing, but always makes me crazy. Okay, so let's talk about altcoins, altcoin carnage, and some meme coins rising. Right, looks like Ether right now is sitting at about 2,800. Let's make sure I'm talking right.
27.
Actually 27, 26. Um, and Soul is pumping right around a $1.94, $1.95 right now.
Yeah.
And
I'm
it's
losing
not
my
been
school.
up and down all day. I want to say it's had a high of like 201 and then drop back down, but it had a low of what was it, 187,
Yes,
186.
187 was watching it. I literally I would literally sell everything in my behind me. It's not a green screen to get more sold, but
Yeah.
I couldn't. I bought the dip, and then I bought the dip again, and then it dipped again, and then it dipped a fourth time, and I
Yeah.
was like, I can't. I don't know where I'm pulling this money from. I gotta go get a McDonald's gig or something.
Yeah.
Seriously,
Yeah.
I don't know
Hey,
what to do. I'm
what?
like, and not fight. Oh yeah, by the way, none of this is financial advice. It's just,
Yeah. Don't do what he does. You know what I mean?
yeah, exactly.
'Cause
This
right
is
now he's
me.
not winning. What he's
Yeah,
trying to tell you is, hey,
it hurt.
if he's up, it's $3. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. I think I'm finally on that
Breaking even.
and that second buyout, the second one, not the first one. The
Yeah.
second, the second, the dippity dip. If I'm getting back to that level, but I gotta go back to the first dip. So the
But
205.
I am super bullish on Solana. But what's crazy is I think some of this volatility with Solana has to do with the Jupiter hack, right?
I think it's just everything.
Well, that's everything, but
Yeah, I think,
I know
yeah,
that Jupiter hack is definitely that always gets people wiggity. I guess a bunch of Solana was stolen. Did you hear that?
I heard that Jupiter hack happened. Jupiter's a DeFi exchange, and what happened was their X got hacked, and they promoted a. That's all I heard is they promoted a different coin that obviously, why would they make a second coin? That doesn't make any sense if you really thought about it, because they
Yeah.
are a huge market cap right now. What is Jupiter? Jupiter is, I gotta find it. It's like it's it's at number 45. That is market cap of where is it? 2 billion? No, I think 2 billion. Let's see. Yeah, 2 billion, 2.1. Yeah. So why would they make a second coin? Does make sense. I think it's just Bitcoin coming down and everything just kept following it just like this, like follow the leader. But once everything
Well,
starts going back up,
that
I
always
think,
happens.
yeah,
Like I said, Bitcoin is. I always tell her when Bitcoin is the compass, right? So there was a couple of projects that looks. Let me just see how they're doing today. I kind of was looking at them yesterday. There were some, uh, and I don't know if they survived today. Bitcoin. Some of these AI projects took a little bit of a beating, right? Almost a 50% beating. Let's just go log into Cookie.io.
yeah, it hurts.
Cookie.fun. And I was looking at it today, like there were some good buys, right? And I hate to say it, like you said, buying the dip. That's why I texted you this morning. I'm like, or this afternoon, I'm like, hey, it's a good time to accumulate.
Yeah.
And you're like, accumulate. Hey, I've been accumulating. I've been accumulating.
Yeah, trying.
Hey, the
It's not
problem is
working.
I keep looking at Cookie, and I'm like, I was about to buy another 10,000 Cookie day, and I was literally like, do I have it? I'm going to do it. I'm moving things around, and I just feel like this buy is great. But again, nothing I see is financial advice. But I'm looking at some of these dips right now, like on some big projects, right? That just took it in the shorts this weekend. Let's just look in the last 7 days. Okay, that are down. I mean, I was looking. I want to say Bully. Bully coin is down 67%. I mean, that's a huge dip, right? But
Yeah,
it's still
I'm not a big
holding,
fan of that one that much. I like
it's still holding a
Colin.
strong market cap though.
Yeah, Colin.
Six point
It,
seven million. I want to say I was looking earlier. Gods, there's some good ones that were down. Well, the reason I'm talking about them is because I feel like some of these times are opportunities when people are scared,
oh
right? They
yeah,
move out and they look at this as opportunities, especially on these coins, these AI agents. They're hot. The market's hot. I think they're going to continue to pump. But I know Fartcoin took a big hit, right? Or Buttcoin. Um,
man, it hurts so bad seeing virtual as a $1.22.
Oh, but yeah, here's Fartcoin right here. I know Fartcoin took a big hit. Fartcoin was down like 50%, but it's still back at 47 cents. Still holding it strong. But this thing was trading at 88 cents literally like 4 days ago, right? So, I mean, that's almost like a double up. You know what I'm saying? And Cookie.fun was trading over 80 cents, but that was, a few weeks ago. So that's kind of why I was like, some of these are good buys.
I know. I want them. I want Moby for sure. I love that. That thing's just on it. It's like an AI
Yeah.
agent that tells you like what people are buying. It is incredible. It's like a big old whale.
Yeah.
That's logo. Virtuals
Yeah. Let me see.
is crazy down. I want it. I want more. I want more virtuals. That's where you could build an AI project that can help you like whatever. I mean, this stuff. There's like sports betting ones. There's like all kinds of things. There's ones that make
Oh,
music.
you're
I
talking about
mean,
Scout? I like Scout.
yeah, there's so many AI. Just explains all the other people because I talked to somebody today. He said he was in crypto and Bitcoin, but he didn't even know about the AI agent. Like he didn't know about the sports betting one. I told him, I said, yeah, there's ones that make music. There's ones that
No,
show all
oh, I
kinds of
love it.
things.
Actually, I think it is the future. I mean, even if you look, even outside the crypto space, it's the future. I mean,
Oh yeah, it's
everyone's
definitely a
talking
feature.
about it.
Yeah, I blow people's minds when I tell them that.
Yeah, it really is. It really is the future. Let's actually look at a chart for Moby real quick. I'm going to open up a Moby chart. Now that you got me thinking about it, let's see what it's doing.
Yeah, like Moby, it's the whale. It saw Trump coin when it happened, like instant. It saw like the transactions, people buying it, and it posted like, "Hey, there's a lot of people buying this." I didn't see it. No, I didn't have notifications on at the time. That's what it was. So I didn't see it. I saw Trump post about it. I was like, man. I told my dad. I said,
Yeah.
man, Trump
Oh,
made a coin.
we got it actually. Real for what it is. I think you got it a little earlier than me, but I was in at like $12.
Yeah, I got it at 7.
Yeah, I was in at $12. So I wasn't totally.
I didn't sell any of it. I'm just like, I was like, yeah, when it was at 77, and then I was like, wait a minute. It just went like a roller coaster. Okay, here comes the bam.
The worst part is I feel guilty because you're like, should I take some profits? I don't know, man. This thing could go to 100. And the worst
Yeah,
part, I did take. I sold some. I had to. I kept
well,
flipping the coin.
yeah. The thing,
But even
I'm
today
like,
it was at $15. I would say Trump was sitting at $15. I thought that was a good buy.
the only
Uh,
thing I'm
yeah.
like, well, I mean, he's using it. He's gonna use it somehow. He's gonna do something with it. I don't know, but I have it. I'm a long-term believer. I saw, like we said before, that the institutions are talking about buying it. Trump
Is it Moby with an
ETFs.
I or Moby with a Y?
Oh, why?
Moby on Sol, right? He's definitely the whale.
Moby AI.
Oh, Moby AI, USDT. I guess MEXC's got it. Okay.
Probably.
Yeah, MEXC definitely has it. Kind of weird the way the chart looks. It's trading at 4 cents right now. Okay, I'll actually bring it in the screen if you want. Share screen. Let's bring Moby in this thing.
Yeah, I got 4. Yeah, it is at 4 cents.
Yeah, it's at 4 cents. So
I want more of that because
it really is a good coin. I actually follow it too, and I do like his posts. It's but he is telling you. Well, that's kind of where I've heard some of these facts. Like Floyd AI coin, 500K went into one wallet, right? Butt coin. You can see where this money is really flowing, right? He gives me as it happens, where the money's going. So I think it's really cool. And you
I
can
think
kind of see where the whales are, right?
yeah, this is just I mean, that's just like to me, it's like, okay, these AI agents are making our lives easier. Like, what else is going to happen with these things? I'm excited to see. I'm excited for next month. That's when the NVIDIA conference is. Oh
Okay.
man, that's going to be crazy. That's what happened last year. The video conference,
Do you
everything
think
went.
that's a major AI pump? Well, I hope so because I know everyone, the whole AI market took a kick right in the nuts with that whole DeepSeek deal, right? So that had everyone woogity, uh, you know, a DeepSeek, and now they even got another one. I don't know if you. Well, I talked about it in my show when it first came out, Queen AI, right? But Queen is actually faster and even more supposed to be even smarter than DeepSeek, basically, right? So there's so much going on. Yeah, like I said, Moby's trading at 4 cents. Not bad. I mean, it actually looks like it's trending back up.
It's
I, I
probably. Yeah,
I'm a believer.
I'm a believer too. I I'm seeing what it's
Okay, what
doing
else are we
every
talking
day.
about? Hey, but you know what else has been hitting, which is crazy, is these gold backed. Gold's booming right now, right?
Yeah,
Which is, it's just, I guess everything's up, right? But gold is booming, and people are talking about that. But these gold backed coins are booming. right? What is it? PAX G.
Yeah,
PAX
PAX G
G.
and Tether Gold.
Yep, PAX G. Hold on, let's look at that thing. PAX G. I was looking at that earlier. And what did I do with it? Sometimes I get too many windows going.
Yeah, because normally what happens when gold beats all-time high, Bitcoin just normally gets
Dominates.
destroys it. But right now it's just like
Gold's having its day. Well, it's gonna be right. It's safe.
yeah,
It's safe right now. There's a lot of stuff going on in this world that I'm sure there's, it's everyone. No one knows what really to think. So
yeah, exactly.
let's go. Let's pull up the PAX G chart. What else going on, son? Van Eck gold miner ETFs are up. I know that for a fact. They're up 20%. Gold miner ETFs. That's crazy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, PAX G is trading right now at, I'll say 2,800, 28.83 coin.
Wow.
It's huge. Big money.
Yeah, that's the same price of gold, 2,836 or something.
Coin, right? So it's pretty strong. And Van Eck, like I said, and so BTC is lagging behind gold this year. But I don't. I still got my money on BTC as passing gold, so I'm not that worried about it. What else we got? Jupiter. We talked about that. I talked about the hack, right? Solana's largest DEX aggregator got hacked. Millions in Solana stolen. Fake token promoted from compromised DEX account. I mean, it's crazy. But what's funny is when you showed me the Trump coin when it first hit, I said Trump got hacked.
Yeah, I said the same thing.
That was my first. That was our. I'm like, you got hacked, bro. That ain't no. Hey, Trump ain't dropping no coin. You know what I mean?
Yeah, 2 days before he comes in the office, that's what we thought.
Oh, well, the best part is you told me it's on his True Social too. I'm like, all right, maybe he did it.
And I forgot.
Hey, once you said True Social, I'm like, all right, we got.
I said the same thing, and then I forgot he did a crypto ball that day, which makes sense. I'm like, son of a b, I didn't think about that. I forgot about the crypto ball.
That is crazy.
Yeah, because I saw people posting.
Oh, the crypto ball was amazing. Actually, I saw some of the exactly. We got a lot going right now. Let's see what else we could talk about. I don't got a ton right now. What about the Ondo conference? I heard Trump speak. I mean, that was pretty bullish. Eric Trump, actually.
Yeah, I didn't tune in too much of it. I tried to, but it was like an 8-hour conference. It was a long, and he was like hour 6, so he wasn't like in the beginning.
I definitely went and found him. Right, I actually fast forwarded to his part. And what kind of one of the things that was interesting is they asked him, what got you into crypto? Why crypto? What made you even go this way? And he said he's a real estate guy, right? Because I'm a real estate guy. We're all real estate guys. That's our deal. But remember, our world, the floor got yanked from underneath us. We couldn't get a loan, right? We actually called banks where I had more money in the bank than I'm asking for, and they wouldn't give me a loan because of the stupid New York, right? You got to remember they got destroyed with that whole New York, basically on the real estate deal, right? Mm-hmm. So he said I couldn't get a loan, so we had to change. The cheese got moved, right? So then we started looking into crypto and other, and the crypto community was very open arms to us, and it's just been amazing, right? And now they've got, what's the World Liberty Financial, or right?
Yeah, World Liberty Fi.
Yeah, World Liberty Fi. I had someone call me today. They asked me, "Hey, John, what do you think about what she asked me about ADA?" Right? I got a lot of people call me during the day, and I said, "Well, yeah, ADA's great. I like ADA." And I said, "The price is pretty good too right now, right?" She was, "That's what I'm saying. I want to get, I'm thinking about buying 1,000." I said, "Yeah, that's not. I don't think ADA's a bad buy. It's 60 cents. I think it was at 68 cents or something, almost 70 cents." When we're talking, I said, "It's a good buy." I said, "I see ADA probably going back to its all-time high on this next bull run." And she goes, and we kind of went over a couple different coins. I said, well, one thing I think is, it's almost a no-brainer if you really look at what what they're holding, right? It's almost like I feel like, and again, none of this is financial advice. Don't do what I say. But it's like they got, if there's anyone who has an inside track, I mean, really?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, yeah, follow the
inside track. I mean, how many times is he going to say, I'd buy me some Ethereum? I mean, I get it. And the world's like, well, ETH is dropping and dumping, right? I said, ETH is. I feel like ETH is going to. And the thing about ETH is it'll go up $100, $200, and you won't even notice, right? You'll look at your ETH chart, or it'll do the same amount of drop too. It'll drop $100, you won't even notice, right? So they do this. We'll be blinking. We'll be talking in 3 or 4 days, and we'll be talking about a $4,000 ETH, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then everyone will be like, "Oh, I missed it," because it just happens so quick. It's like lightning. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
It always goes like that. ETH, you think it's just like Bitcoin. When Bitcoin pumped, the pump from 97 back to 100K, it could happen literally in minutes.
Yeah, exactly. That's minutes.
I mean, minutes. I mean, well, the pump from 100K down to 95K can happen in minutes too.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean?
It happened yesterday.
Those minutes are a lot more grueling. You're like,
Yeah.
oh, is it gonna stop? Pump back up.
I hate seeing the little thing that I have red all the time. I'm like, no.
Oh, your ticker. Yeah. Hey, let me tell you. Hey, the tickers made me some money before, though. Let me tell you, I'll be in the kitchen eating, and I'm like this. Bitcoin's at what? Let me go look at the chart. Right. Hey guys, all I'm saying is we got a lot of. I got it right now. It's a rocky road, but I'm still bullish on everything that's going on. I really feel like. February is actually going to be a great month. I really do. It is. They are really just trying to take your Bitcoin. Right. If you have any Bitcoin, they're trying to force you out. The guys that let's say you bought your XRP at $3 and what was it? What was the high? 370?
Yeah, I think $3.
350, 360,
Yeah,
somewhere in that range.
that 370 because it passed its all-time high.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
370. So let's say you bought $1,000 worth, and right now you're down $1,000. Or you bought 1,000 and you're down $1,000. Do not sell. If anything, buy again. It's your money. Do what you want to do. Not financial advice, but they're just trying to get you because, like I said, the pump back up. The pump from 270 to 370 is that fast, right? It happens that quick. So I mean, there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of manipulation going on right now. I think
Speaking of XRP,
yeah.
Today 3 different firms. Well, I don't know if they're called firms, but 3 different basically places try to do a big XRP ETF. And we got Wisdom Tree.
What about this morning? Speaking of ETF, that is huge. And didn't Trump do something with Bitcoin, a special Bitcoin Plus ETF? Did you hear about that?
It said he launched his Trump media to launch a Bitcoin Plus ETF.
So what is that exactly?
I don't know. Let me read it.
I want to say how I read it. Well, I'll give you my take on it. I read it like he's going to do almost like a bundle, right? Almost like a Fortune 5, like you do a top 500, a Fortune 500 deal, like where you bundle a bunch of different cryptos up. Probably as American maker. I completely made that up. So
I think that's right. It says that I know he's going to make an American only one. So Cardano is American. That's 100%. One. That's one. Just saying.
Oh no, that's why
XRP.
XRP Cardano. I said my only beef with Cardano. I like Cardano. I think Charles is amazing, great guy, very knows his stuff, and I think he's going to be on the crypto team, right? He's trying to get as one of the advisors.
I don't know, but I know I swear he knows Elon. Like him and Elon are like friends or something. I swear they're something. Because he went to SpaceX, and Charles is saying that they're going to drop something big this month in February. That's what he's saying on his live stream. I don't know what that means. He can't say. He signed an NDA.
Yeah. Well, his biggest deal, I know that is speed, right? In my mind, Cardano is just it's always been. It's not that quick, but I think
that's his biggest problem. But his biggest thing is he's trying to make it actually decentralized, like 100% decentralized. He has been actually doing that compared. I love Solana, but Solana is not decentralized 100% in my opinion because they do go down and they have to reboot. It doesn't happen a lot, but it did happen. And XRP went down yesterday, which pissed a lot of people off.
That does make people a little wiggity. I think they're getting overloaded, right? There's so much happening right now. They probably are running at their max. Well, I don't really got a lot. You got anything else?
Nope. Just what's that? What's our pig doing? What's the pig?
Whoa. Let's get to
Everyone
the
want
pig cam. Oh my
oh,
goodness. Looks like we got a sleeping pig. I mean, this pig looks like she's in paradise right now. Pig cam is on.
fire
Pig's got
pit.
the fireplace going. I mean, I almost wish I could hear her snore. And her best friend, the wolf, is leaving her alone. And she's always happy when the wolf's not next to her.
Yeah. She gets so mad when she gets in the crate and starts messing with her. She
I
gets
think it's
so
hilarious.
mad. She gets
Well, well, the pig reminds me kind of the day. Kind of just meh.
yeah, exactly. I'm
Yeah.
tired.
She's not
I'm
running.
going to
She's
bed.
not eating. I mean, I go pick up a grape. There'll be a pig run. That's what we're gonna have to do. We see the piggy running. We know we're gonna have a bullish day. Well, guys, I hope everyone's having a fantastic evening. Thank you so much. That's all I got. And let's be blessed.
Have a great night.